Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
So bad, I do this every time. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Good morning everybody, welcome to the Dean Callan Show. Today, we are in Mexico City at the one and only Limantour with Pablo Pasti.
Hi, I am Pablo.
And Sandra Mosquera. And we're going to be learning how to make both a classic recipe for Sangrita and also Limantour recipe for Sangrita. Okay, so Pablo's the expert in this and he's going to be running us through it. We're here merely to taste things and make sure that they're right. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, over to you, Pablo.
It's simple. It's tomato juice.
And we'll put the measurements up later, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just tomato juice.
Orange juice. Worcestershire sauce.
What was that one?
Worcester.
Worcester sauce.
Yes.
Okay, Lea and Perrins Worcester sauce, right?
Maggie sauce.
Maggie sauce?
Yeah.
Maggie
Maggie.
sauce.
Lime juice.
Lime juice. Tabasco.
We know knows. One more.
One for good luck.
We need spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want it spicy.
A little salt
Pinch of salt. Two pinches of salt.
and peppermint.
And it's freshly cracked pepper as well. Okay.
So
Alright. And you would usually then put this in the fridge?
yeah.
Okay. Get it nice and cold.
So this is a real Sangrita, fresh
Real.
Sangrita.
Amazing.
Enjoy.
Okay, so
With a
I'll just try it. I'll try it this way, and then we'll do the tequila. And, oh yeah, we'll do it the whole way.
with the flag. Bandera style.
And it's called Banderas,
Yeah.
which is
It's the old style.
Mexican for flag.
And it's very common in the cantinas. They used to do this in popular places in Mexico.
Okay.
So it's a kind of popular way to drink tequila.
Okay.
Tequila.
Tequila Fortaleza.
So this is the flag.
Okay, amazing. Thank you very much. And we're gonna learn your style as well.
Sorry?
The Limantour style.
Okay,
Okay. And it's this one first. Yeah.
your choice.
Your choice.
So good. Okay.
Now the
Now the moment
Sangrita.
of truth.
Dun, dun, dun.
That's really good. Yeah, this is much better than the place we were at
Yeah. Okay.
in Guadalajara. Really good. And it's fresh too.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the difference with the Limantour?
Yeah, the difference is olive,
Olive oil.
Yeah?
chile,
Yeah?
and cilantro leaves.
or coriander, yeah.
Yeah. That's all.
And you blend that inside here?
Yeah, blender here.
And you add it to this?
Yes.
Amazing. Okay. Is it possible for us to get another one of these? Do you want one?
Yeah, why not?
And one for Marco?
Okay, this is a Bandera style.
Okay.
And for Marco,
You're gonna
the
help
back.
out with us, Pablo?
yeah, that's right.
You can be irresponsible today. That's okay. Benji's not around, right? No. We'll just be like. Do you miss him already?
No.
No.
I mean, but it's my vacation.
Ah, it's your vacation now. Okay.
Yeah.
We should go out and get the town. We should get crazy.
Yeah, a little
We'll have a nice dinner.
bit. Yesterday?
No, tonight.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Alright. Tequila Fortaleza.
Marco?
Gracias.
Alright. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Enjoy.
And enjoy.
Salud.
Salud.
Gracias.
Salute.
And that is how to make a banderas with sangrita. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Very nice.
It's my first time we try this bandera.
This is your first time having one of these? Really?
Yeah, always it's try out.
We are bringing it back. We're bringing it back. The old school.
Yeah, we have to.
You like it?
Yeah, look at this.
So you've been making this the whole time and thought, man,
Yeah.
Yeah.
wow, that's crazy. We got to share your first time.